Okay, well, we're gonna go out plowing now because snow. Not a whole lot right here specifically, but one township over, I got 3 people telling me I have 4 or 5 inches. So I'm gonna head down there and check all that out and see what that's all about. And we'll go from there, I guess. See what kind of weather we're gonna get.
How I'm alive when I'm not even breathing. How much further is it? Aching, so exquisite. I hope we can stop in time. Now you don't wanna dance, 'cause we're looking right through you. That you wear, we don't need to stare. Oh, but the people you know, they say what they want to. Oh, 'cause the truth of it is, we don't really care. Now the place, now the town, memories lost, but for now, breathing in, breathing out to get my thoughts back up the ground. Walking down the street, passing by people meet. Anyhow, just for now, I'm realizing what I need. And then you come to my mind. Well, I guess it's kind of sign. Don't take long to realize. I think it's time, so I raise my voice and I am running around looking for you. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Searching all over town just to be sure. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. When you're hanging around, see nothing new. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Finally asking you out. How do you do? Look around, see me stare, looking back, now I'm there in the sand. Take my hand, let's find something for us to share. Making out, touching down, every smile in your face seems to me, it brings up thoughts of every second that I waste it. Without you, right by my side, how did I manage just to hide that it feels so very right? but I'm restless, so I raise my pace and I am running around looking for you. Searching all over town just to be sure. When you're hanging around, see nothing new. Finally asking you out, how do you do? The only reason, can't you see, that keeps me running down that street is any chance for us to meet. It could be you I'm looking for. I think I've never been so sure. Got you, I never let you go. I am running around looking for you. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Searching all over town just to be sure. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Where you're hanging around, see nothing new. Could be you, could be you, could be you. Finally asking you out, how do you do? I am running around looking for you. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Searching all over town just to be sure. Could be you, could be you, could be you, could be you. Where you're hanging around, see nothing new. Could be you, could be you, could be you. Finally asking you out, how do you do? How do you know?
Gravity is wearing thin, yet I still walk. Inebriation setting in, but I can still talk. There's a line inside, I swear, and I must stand tall against the world. I'm on my own. Whoa, say goodbye. I can hear them say that everything inside is all a lie, just to get their own way. Say goodbye, a price too high to pay. There comes a time you know inside you won't stand for the charades and just walk away. Never realized till now this false visage. Just how long can I afford this self-sabotage? There's a line inside, I swear, and I must stand tall against the world, and here I stand. Whoa, say goodbye. I can hear them say that everything inside is all a lie, just to get their own way. Say goodbye, a price too high to pay. There comes a time you know inside you won't stand for the charade, so just walk away. Whoa, all my life I knew there'd come a time for me to say goodbye. Say goodbye. I can hear them say that everything inside is all a lie, just to get their own way. Say goodbye, a price too high to pay. There comes a time you know inside there's only one thing left to say. Goodbye.
Okay, well, this part's about the worst part of this place is This hill, very, very sketchy. I'm gonna get through the gate first. Oh, we're already spinning. Time to put her in four wheel. I normally don't plow in four wheel drive unless I absolutely have to, because I get a much better turn radius in two wheel, and this makes plowing with a truck that much easier. So I plow in two wheel drive unless I absolutely am slipping and sliding around, or I'm pushing piles up. Plus, less abuse on the truck, which is good. Yeah, this part's super sketch. Just wait until we get down a little farther. That's all they're getting for that width. Yeah, right about here, it's really steep again. Alright, on to residential now. My big dump truck.